Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable or disable microphone on your Google Chrome in your mobile app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable or disable, or if you want to check your microphone status whether it is enabled or disabled in your Android in your Google Chrome, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome. Then in top right side corner you will find three dot. You have to just tap on that, then tap on settings. Scroll down. Here you will find site setting, tap on that. In this you can see permission. Under permission you will find location, camera, microphone. You have to just tap on the microphone. You can see current status is blocked. If you want to give the permission for your microphone, if you want to enable it, just tap on this and your microphone will be enabled. If you want to disable, just disable it. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable or disable microphone in your Google Chrome mobile app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.